All about it's time now for that long antique white. The silver-plated, window-tinted wheels of gold, glory train to leave the station. We've all heard the story